Namaste. Welcome to learn Hindi through English and Tamil. Today we are going to see the continuation of alphabets, matras. Matras is nothing but the way of writing the consonants. For example, when there is a letter, it is ik, ich, it, ip. When you add a sound, it becomes ka. When you add a sound, it becomes ka. When you add e sound, it becomes ki. Like that, the same way, ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. This is called matra. In Hindi, we say this in the word bara kadi. Bara means 11. Kadi means the method what we write this is called bara kadi. Actually, the letters vowels we say as 13 vowels. A, I, E, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Am, Aha. In this, the Ru is just removed from this. If you exclude R, it becomes 12 numbers. 12 in Hindi is bara. And the kadi, the method of writing, the table of writing, kaka, kiki, a, I, E. This is called bara kadi. Today we are going to see not the 12 letters, along with that R, we are going to write 13 letters, 13 matras. But let us tell the same word bara kadi without excluding any matra. Please come, let us go to the video. This is, we won't say bara kadi, let us say matras. Okay, it is easiest way of telling matras. Matra. In Hindi also we say the same word matra. Okay, let us go. First let us write the vowels for our understanding. Say a. Okay, a, e, u, u. There is one matra is that we will write later. Okay, r, we will write later. Next comes a. Let me write a little down. Let me give some space and write. A. This is I. This is O. And this is Au. This is The last one is Aha. This is what? The vowels is what we are going to write in Ka, in Cha, in Ta, in Ta, in Pa, like that. Okay? Let us see. There is a same word. If you write the same word, for example, let me write the same word, I make X mark. Okay, X mark. Why I make X mark is any letter. Ka, maybe it is Cha, maybe it's a Ta, something like that. Means you assume that there is a letter. Okay, the same letter as it is, if you write, it is a matra. Okay, after the X, if you make one line, this is a matra. First, let you see how the sign to be written. A matra. How is E matra? Before this X, if you make a bend like this, this is E matra. After the letter, if you make the bend like this is E matra. Okay, this is just easiest way of writing. Okay. Next comes U. How? Below the letter, if you make the bend like this is U matra. Okay. After the letter, that is below the letter, if you make the bend like this is U matra. Right? Next comes A matra. Above the letter, if you make the bend like this is A matra. Above the letter, if you make both the bends the same letter, this is I matra. Okay, next to the letter, if you make this like this A matra letter, okay, any letter, assume any letter, then A matra, one line making is A matra. In that A matra, if you make the bend like this is O. How? Next one. The same O is repeated and one more bend in the same O letter. This is O and Au matra. This is O and this is Au matra. The other way also that after any letter, if you make a bend, sorry, if you make a line and you make it all in the same one, you make it both the lines. Here people are doing mistake. There are two bends we have to put here. People, what they are doing, students, what they are doing is they are just distributing to everything. Same way they are making one bend for here this letter, one bend for this letter. That should not be. Okay, in the A sound, where the line A sound comes, there alone both the bends to touch. Okay, next nothing. Above the letter, if you make one dot, this is letter. Above the letter, near the next side of the letter, if you make two dots, this is aha sound. Very simple. Now I am going to write, substitute instead of X, I am going to substitute the first consonant K. Okay, very simple. You see, before that, let me write same way. All the letters. I make it K. Okay, for your understanding, but this is not the way to write for your understanding. Okay. I write same letter K, same letter K, same letter K, same letter K, same letter K. I have written. For just learning process, I am doing like this. This is also I have written. Here also, let me write like this. Let me write like this. Same K, same K, same K. That's all I have written. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to add matra. If the letter is remains the same, this is A sound. That is K means K. I am going to make Ka. See? Ka. See? One line. I am going to just, I am writing one more line, adding one more line. Here key before the letter, it should be like this. This is key. And this is the next side. Key. That's all. Here below the letter, we made like this bend. Let me also make a bend like this. Ku. So below the letter, if I make a bend, the elongated bend, this is ku. It should touch. Okay. Next A, how above the letter there is a bend. K. Above the letter there are two bends. That is repetition K and then K, and one more bend in that same one. Kai. Now I am writing Ko. How Ko? First step is same letter you have to write. Next you make it Ka sounded. Next you make it one bend here. Add one bend. Becomes Ko. How is cow? Same letter Ka. It becomes Ka. Now it becomes Ka. Now it becomes Ko. Again one more bend in the same one. Cow. Now how it is come? Just after above the letter, make one dot. Come. Okay. The other side of the letter, you make two dots. Kah. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. Okay. This is called the 12 kadi. But I am going to add that R matra also. Otherwise, you will forget to write that. So let us have in the same practice. How to write R matra? You see R, how to be written the R. This is R matra. How I am writing? That is nothing. In the below that I write here. In that letter, you make one anti-clockwise line, or we say one C. Add C below that letter. This is R. This is R. Okay. So I am writing here. You please see how to write R. See, there is a letter. R, how we have to write? Like this. This is the way we have to write. Below the letter, the one C. Okay. How I am writing here? You see. There is a letter, and I made a C like this. This is Kr. Okay. Now let us practice this one. 1 second. All of you say Ka, Ki, Ku, Kr, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kah. All of you say Ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kah. Here one thing I want to tell you. We used to say in Tamil as well as in Kannada, Telugu and all, ke, ke. Okay, a, I, e, u is there. Ru is not here. In Hindi it is there. Ke, ke is there. Tamil, Telugu and all, it is there. Ke, ke. This ke, hrasva is not there. Here. Straight away, ke, kai. Straight away. There is no ko. There is ko, kau, kam, kah. So in next video, I will just make it a pair and I will show you. That will be very easy. Instead of writing ka, ka, ki, I will say ka, ka, ki, like that. It will be more useful for you. And let you practice the same one. If you have any doubt, you please put it in the comments section. I hope this video will be very useful for you. In the same way, my children's channel is there, Pasam Alargal. Please, you can make use of that. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Namaste. Dhanyavad.